This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable bowls, specifically these terracotta plastic mini flower pots, and they are super adorable. Their 4-ounce size is made of food-grade plastic that's recyclable, making them a great disposable option for cocktail parties, weddings, showers, and much, much more. Any event where you need something kind of cute, garden-themed, it's just got a variety of little uses. So they're about 2.5 inches tall by about 2.6 inches wide, making them a nice kind of individual portion. And there's plenty of things you can do with them, both savory or sweet. Think an adorable little veggie crudité, other apps, things like tapas. These make the perfect little container for them. If you are doing something along the sweet lines, they're great for things like pot of dirt or kind of those death by chocolate style desserts where it's layers of things like cake, custard, and then crumbs on top, where you can top them with, say, a piped buttercream flower, a cute little gummy worm, maybe some little marzipan veggies or fruits, so that you're making an adorable little display. They're also great for things like fruit parfaits, trifles, mousses, and you can top them with lots of adorable details to be on point with your theme. They're also a great little size to use for mini party favors. So think if you want to do something like pack up little seed packets or other little goodies, maybe some fruit or veggie gummy candies. They're perfect to just slip inside a cello bag, tie up for adorable little party favors. So these make a great option for any kind of garden, summer themed event or party, and you can use them for a variety of things, whether it be sweet, savory, or just to make adorable little party favors.